Yan, so hindi na ako nakapag-video kanina. Nag-asikaso na ako, nagluto na ako and everything, struggle. Yan, para aalis na lang kami, papasok na kami. Yan, see you! Good morning! Ito. Ay, akin na. Good morning! What's that? I say good morning naman. What are you thinking? Ha? Love you.
Nasa group pala yun. Kiss ko, anak.
Wait. Wait, I'm gonna get you on the other side.
Love you. Be good ah, in school ah.
Bye.
Bye, mami.
Yeah, mag-breakfast muna kami ni Daddy sa coffee project. Kasi mamaya may work siya. Later, may work siya. Hi! Tsaka lang, Dad!
Ganyan ka pa.
Scripted! We're eating na.
So, ubos na. Sobrang gutom kami.
Tapos lang kasi nagkakantuhan kami. Sabi namin, mag-exercise kami kapag hatid namin kay Wancho pag may pasok siya ganyan. Pero baka mukhang kain lang kakain. Gagawin natin. Baka mukhang kain lang gagawin namin pag hinatid namin siya. Ganon. Paano kaya tayo mag-start? Mag-exercise? Gusto talaga namin mag-start ng exercise kaso tamad kami, tinatamad kami. Ano ba?
Ano ba guys?
Ano ba guys? Uwi na muna kami kasi maliliit na siya sa work niya. Sa Batangas ka pa, Dad, no? Nasugbu sa Tali Beach. May prenup.
Punta na ba tayo?
Hindi pa, pero nakita ko yun one time kay Nadine Lustre. Tapos, sinerch ko kung saan. And so, on our way home. Mamaya pa kasi uwian ni Wancho. So, ako na lang susundo sa kanya. Bye, Daddy!
Bye.
See you later.
See you.
Ingat ka. Love you.
Bito.
Yan, pasundo na ako. Maaga pa mga 10, pero para makatambay na flight. Wala kasi si Daddy Bon, kaya mag-tricycle lang ako.
High school?
Apa! Go! Go down, careful ha! Yeah, it's not.
What? What did you do? Why you have star?
Can you see? Whoa, very good, sweetheart.
Because I know how to trace my name.
Hi, you know how to write your name na? Can you spell it? Can you spell?
J-U-A-N-C-H-O-1.
Dito.
No.
Go.
J-U-A-N-C-H-O-1.
Nice! So go inside.
na po kami sa Switzerland.
Kaya nauna na ako magising kay Wancho dahil may dumating na lalamove. Ano to, gift nila Karen. Yan, thank you. Ako yung gift ko sa kanila, nabulok na din dito. Thank you. Yan. Kakagising lang nito, nanood lang. And then merienda muna siya nitong cheese tteokbokki. Favorite niya to. Ako kumain muna ako ng jampong bago kami lumabas. Yan. Why? Coffee naman ako, tapos na siyang mag-eat. Ako naman mag-coffee na. Hey! So, ayun na nga, pumasok na kami, kahit maliwanag pa, right? Why did we go inside?
Because we didn't listen.
Why?
I didn't listen.
Yeah, he didn't listen, that's why we go inside na. Why? What did you do ba?
Follow and push.
Is that even good?
No.
Oh, why did you do it?
Because I don't like him to touch my bell.
Oh, sige, next time we will not play with him na.
Yeah, only you.
Only me?
Yeah.
Okay. But next time, don't do it again, huh? Are you gonna do it ba? Why?
Because you let me go inside.
Yeah, I'll throw this one. Yeah, that's why we go inside na. And then he watch na lang. So, ayun. This day is just a normal day. Si Daddy nasa work lang. Nag-ano lang siya. Sa prenup. Okay. Ha?
Can you play on your phone?
Okay. Oh my God. Okay, sige. Current state, ayan. Magtatanggal lang tayo ng decorations last Christmas. Nakakatamad. Pero kailangan ko nang tanggalin yan. Mas maglilinis pa ako kasi ang kalat.
I wanted to stay there forever.
Which one?
That one.
No, we need to clean it up.
But there were no lights.
Ha? No, we will just ano na lang. Exchange it with other lights, okay? Okay? Love you. It's actually easier than I think, okay? Kala ko ang hirap niya tanggalin kaya medyo tinatamad ako. Ang bilis lang pala niya. Patapos na. Sakto 7 a.m. Tapos ginising ko na siya. Ano bang gagawin ko? Kunin ko ang uniform niya sa labas. Sandali. Gising na kasi to. So, maligo na siya. Tapos breakfast.
Some food. The Lord mommy.
Sige dito.
Yeah?
Mommy, this one lion with.
No, later na lang.
Ah.
I have something for you in your bag. It's in for the recess time.
What is it?
It's just a surprise. Kaya maya pa sa lunchbox mo.
Sige dito.
Here.
When it's time to eat na. Okay?
What's that?
I don't know. It's a secret.
No.
It's a secret you will find out when it's,
It's
recess.
a surprise.
Yeah. When it's snack time. Freddy Fazbear.
No.
Oh, it's not algae.
Skibidi.
It's no algae. It's this time.
Of course, pag umalis, mag-check ulit. Kasi magstay kami doon. May si Wancho, photoshoot. Ang taray ng lolo mo. May photoshoot siya para sa school. Good morning. Pa! Good morning, little star.
Pa! Mommy, can you see what's my lunch box?
Oh, yeah, it's a surprise nga when it's snack time. Kaya dapat magle-listen ka, okay? Be a good boy, okay? You'll see what's inside the lunchbox.
So mag-intro ka. Good morning, guys.
Don't lang cover the say good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Louder. Louder. Wag ganyan yan, ganyan. Louder ha. Go.
Good morning, guys.
What are we gonna do today?
We're gonna go to school.
What else?
And then,
Sige, you just talk. So, papunta na kami sa school. Medyo maaga pa kami. Actually, 7:50. Pero 8 yung pasok niya. Tapos, ayoko. Oh, Daddy. That's video. So, dito kami sa Walter Mart. We're gonna go to Mr. DIY. Great fun all the time. Na natin kailan ng loto. Dito na lang kami kakain sa bahay. Nagluto na lang ako ng corned beef and egg. Yan, delete lang kami.
Hi guys, so magtitimpla siya ng kape para sa akin. Actually siya nagluto nito. Ako lang yung naglagay ng paper plate. Kaya nag-paper plate kami kasi ayaw ko maghugas.
Kape?
Oo, paggawa ng coffee, bakit ganyan yung lasa, gano'n?
Ano, gusto ko kasi medyo creamy na matapang, ganun. So, let's see.
Parang ikaw matapang.
Yeah, pero sweet. Matapang na sweet, di ba?
Sweet ka ba? Oo, sweet yan. Etong meal na to, nasa ano. No? Mga nasa 300 na.
Sa cafe project.
300 na yan, oo.
Di ba?
Wala pang coffee yun. Eh, yung coffee namin, ang laki, oo.
Kaya dito na lang kami sa bahay kumain.
Isang kamay. Ewan ko na lang kung hindi ka pa magising niya.
I think I like the garlic.
Ay, pwede, oo. The garlic.
My
Ketchup.
favorite. This one. This is our favorite. The extra chili by Coco. Ay, Chabel. Coco Chabel. Just sprinkle it out like that.
Beauty shot ko pa ba to?
More pa.
Go. Alright. Kain muna kami, ha.
Let's eat. Aga naman makalipat din ako dito. Up. Your feet.
stand straight, stand straight. Okay, there you go. Eyes on the side. Raven. Okay, look at the camera, everyone.
Macho.
Alright, look at the camera, everyone.
Mancha doon.
Raven. Raven, look at the camera. Oh, that's okay na. Oh, look at the camera. Come on, look at the camera.
Paano?
Paano daw? Show it to daddy. Daddy. Look at the camera.
Mancha, smile! Yung big smile!
Put your hands down. Raven, here, Raven.
Don't say that here.
Mommy.
We're going to...
Mr. DIY Nipo.
Ayos sa'yo uli ng mga orders ng diaper. Yan, for shipping siya. Today, ito-drop off na lang namin. So, nandun siya sa tita niya. So, pinaampon muna namin siya kasi gusto niya pumunta doon. Habang kami is nag-aayos dito. Ayun lang. Magpapak lang ako. Come with me as I pack this packing. Come with me as I pack these orders. Ayan na yung mga papadala namin sa JNT. Yan, dami. Yan, going kami sa Kalate. Susundin na namin si Buninggit.
Explain mo paano ka
Kasi-
nagpunta dito.
Pinaship na namin yung mga product, yung mga diapers. Kaya meron pang coach.
Ano talaga? Master vlogger ako.
And then this bomb. We're going to play it. No. And then kiss.
Oh, ang nice oh. Late lang nung ano niya buto. Pero sa mga asim pa nito kaya mga gatong color, ibuburo ko. Mahilig si Bondo. Lalagay ko dito sa jar. Ay! Tit! Pasok!